know what you're feeling, man. This is fucked. Went through it. My girlfriend had a friend she went to lunch with. Innocent enough, I trust her at first. Each week, they would go get lunch downtown. He had been her classmate years before and connected later on. They both loved books. I'm not a reader. I was glad for her at first. And then I saw some photographs she'd taken with the friend in different places. She'd say they took a walk. She swore that they were friends. And then I found some messages they'd sent, which said they loved each other. I was shattered. Spent 6 years. What that fucking horror.